In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear Microsoft Teams chat history. Maybe you want to tidy up your workspace, remove old conversations, or just get rid of clutter that you don't need anymore. In this walkthrough, I'll show you a simple way to delete an entire chat conversation from your Teams account step by step. Follow along on your own screen as I describe each action, and feel free to pause the video at any time. First, open Microsoft Teams on your computer. Once Teams is open, look over to the left-hand side of the window. You'll see a vertical sidebar with different icons such as Activity, Teams, Calendar, and so on. What you're looking for is the chat icon. Go ahead and click on Chat. This is where all of your one-on-one and group conversations are listed. When you're in the chat section, you'll see a list of recent chats running down the left side. Scroll through this list and find the specific chat conversation that you want to clear. Take a moment to double-check that you've selected the right one, especially if multiple chats have similar names or participants. Now, move your mouse over that chat entry in the list. Don't click yet, just hover your cursor over it. As you hover, a few extra icons will appear next to the chat name. One of these icons will be the More Options button, which looks like 3 small dots arranged in a vertical line. Next, click on those 3 dots to open the More Options menu for that chat. A drop-down menu will appear with several choices related to managing that conversation. Among those options, look for one that says Delete or Delete Chat. The exact wording can vary slightly depending on your version of Teams, but it will clearly mention deleting the chat. Click on Delete or Delete Chat. At this point, Teams will usually show a confirmation message asking if you're sure you want to delete the conversation. This is there to prevent you from removing a chat by accident. Read the message carefully, and if you're certain you no longer need that chat in your list, go ahead and confirm the action. Once you confirm, the entire conversation will disappear from your chat list in Teams. This helps keep your workspace cleaner and makes it easier to focus on the chats that actually matter to you right now. And that's all there is to it. Just a few clicks to clear out old Microsoft Teams chat history.